Ignorance knows no country because knowledge belongs to humanity and it's the torch which illuminates the world. Good morning to all. Hope you're having a productive day. On this auspicious occasion of World Science Day, we, the students of class 9A, is here to acknowledge you with a debate on the topic, is artificial intelligence a threat to humans? I'm Swaliha and I'm in 9th grade. Let's come to the session. Before, let's invite the team members. They will introduce themselves to you. First, we can give the chance to Team Sapphire. Please introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, I'm Hannah from Team Sapphire. Today we are here to prove that artificial intelligence plays an important role in modern era. And this is my teammate.
Hi everyone, I am Safna Sharif from Team Sapphire.
Now it's your turn, Team Ruby, please.
Hi everyone, I'm Shamya from the Team Ruby and we are here to prove that artificial intelligence is really a threat to humans. And this is my teammate.
Hello everyone, I am Riya Sharif from Team Ruby.
Stephen Hawking has said the development of full artificial intelligence could spell the end of the human race. The ability of a computer system or a machine to behave intelligently with some human traits is known as artificial intelligence. Even technologists also want that artificial intelligence could one day pose an existential threat. So, how you justify this statement, Team Sapphire?
There are many advantages for artificial intelligence. For example, driverless cars, high-level gaming strategies, etc. And also, we can reduce human error by collaborating artificial intelligence to the system.
As thinking machines are taking our jobs, then what do we humans do? The jobs are replaced by intelligent machines or systems. You should acknowledge that there is a darker side to it. You can't replace human. You can't build human intelligence in a machine as it is a gift of nature. So, no matter how smart a machine can become, it can never replace a human.
Yes, that's a great opinion. What is the toss against this?
No, because of artificial intelligence, the job offers are increasing. For example, software engineer, computer operator, creating ads, creating advertisement, etc.
No, my dear, I'm not going with your point. Every organization is looking to replace the minimum qualified individual with artificial intelligence robot which can do similar work with more efficiency. So you see there, I'm strongly saying that human will face unemployment. No, dear, I'm not agreeing with your opinion. Because according to the report of World Economic Forum, they said that 85 million jobs replaced by artificial intelligence and also 97 million jobs will be created in the future.
But no, we strongly disagree with your point. There is an increase in unemployment in the future because nowadays even in agricultural system and in industrial work humans are using machines, but in olden days instead of that machines humans were doing that same job, but now that same jobs are done by machines, so there is an increase in unemployment.
No, as I told first, the increasing of artificial intelligence, the job offers are also increasing. Examples also I told first.
No, but now doesn't agree.
Let me tell another point.
We are not agreeing. And let her finish her point.
Now let me tell you another point. High cost of creation. As artificial intelligence is updating every day, the hardware and software need to get updated with time to meet its latest requirements. Machine need maintenance and repair which need a plenty of cost. Its creation need a huge cost as it is very complex machine. What about that?
We will not get a good product with a cheap rate. If we are getting such products, the value of the product will be too bad.
No.
And also nowadays the improvement of artificial intelligence is really necessary. For example, medical treatment. Medical treatment is not only about medicine. It requires many artificial intelligence like X-ray machine, scanning machine, respirator, dialysis machine, etc. If some people will not be alive today if those artificial intelligence are not there.
But their artificial intelligence don't have any emotions.
For emotions, we will make an exact plan. Without any plan,
No,
we will not
just
make any
please
mistakes
calm
or any
down.
technology.
Let you finish her
Maybe
point.
that will be accidentally and the machine will get damaged. So what will you do?
So we will repair
machines
the
can't
Just
take
please
emotion.
relax. Let she finish her point first.
So we will repair that. It's also part of a job opportunity.
But however, those machines have no emotions. They
For
can't
emotion,
understand
we will make
the
an
Please calm
experience.
down.
Emotion, as you told that it's really good for us, because if robots have emotions, they will try to control us, control the whole system,
And they will try to
cheat the
attack that.
humans.
No,
No,
the
how-
human intelligence are identified with versatile learning and experiences. So can I ask a question?
Sure.
Is our experience is there for artificial intelligence? No, there is no experiences for artificial intelligence. So I'm strongly saying that artificial intelligence is not good for humans.
I'm not agreeing with your opinion, because nowadays it's really necessary for us. For example, weather reporters. If weather reporters is not informing us about the weather condition, how can we take wonder precaution to protect us and our family?
But we
heavy-
strongly disagree
Can I-
on
just
that.
let me put my point.
Let me check.
How can we protect ourselves from our agricultural calamities?
Machines can perform only those tasks which they are programmed or designed to do. They cannot learn to think from outside the box because they don't have any creativity.
For creativity, we will make an exact plan.
We will not make a robot just
Without a
an
simple
idea.
plan.
We will make an exact plan.
For control that,
Yes,
we
you
will
will
make
make
remote,
plan, but
etc.
how can you give sure that it will not get damaged?
When
Then,
you
we will repair it. It's also a job opportunity. So
Repair
job
need a
opportunity-
plenty
let
of
me
cost.
Yes.
Let us finish your
complete-
point, please.
Let me complete my point. So it's also a job opportunity. So job opportunity is increasing, not decreasing.
But in
But
our
you
point,
thought that humans are getting more job opportunity. But what about them making human lazy? You told.
You told
You can continue.
that we can the humans can
you
only
told-
control the laziness. No.
Human
Human can
tend to
emotions
get to
take. They
You
can,
told that
humans
you
are
told
getting
that-
Please
lazy.
calm down,
decisions.
dears, please.
You told that
Human
robots
can take
have-
decisions.
Robots don't have any emotions, but humans have. So humans
Human
can
can control
their
their
laziness
laziness.
if
No.
they want.
But
Now
in
I'm
our
telling
opinion,
from
we can't.
our own experience, we
So I am
can't
telling my
control our laziness.
experience. We can
Complete,
control.
please.
Even teenagers, nowadays
getting
teenagers
addicted
are getting addicted to this
So they
video
can
games,
control-
computer, laptop.
which can
We
cause
can make them
diseases also.
A big problem in the future generation.
For that, we can control our laziness.
No,
Or their parents need to
we
control
can't.
We are
that.
telling in.
Our own experience.
How we can control our laziness?
Humans have emotions, so they can control. They are not
But
like
no.
robots. You told before.
But look
So,
about
let me-
teenagers,
let me
they are not
complete.
controlling their
Dears,
emotions.
please
parents
calm
need to control
down.
that.
Dears, let's
So let me
conclude
say
the
another
session,
opinion.
please.
So let me say one another opinion. Instead of humans, human will not take risk, but instead of humans, robot will take risk. What is your opinion
And
about
robot will make their work easy and smart.
Dears,
however-
please, let's conclude the session.
No, they can't make any decisions.
I told you they can't make, but humans
However,
can.
this ethics
Let
and
me
morality-
complete. Let me
Please,
complete.
let
if
me
that machine-
complete the point.
Let me complete. Robots can't take decisions, but humans can. So they can make a plan to take.
But we are talking
For
about
control
if
that we can
machines,
make a
let me
remote.
finish. If machines are getting damaged, then how they can think about what to do after
So
the
human
damage?
need to.
Human know. Human
You
know.
told that human have emotions. Human can take
They
decision,
take decision.
etc.
Human have decision power. Taking decision
So
power.
they can take
so they can take
decision.
decision what to do and what
And
not
they
to
can
do.
are
make
not
one
talking
remote
about
or control
human,
robot.
we are
Which-
telling
This
Please,
is
dears,
artificial.
please
Let me
relax.
tell.
Human also
Let me
included.
tell.
Human also included in this artificial intelligence. So we can discuss this also. It's not.
As she told in the beginning, even technologists also want that artificial intelligence can pose an existential threat to humans. So what about that?
And also there is a positive point also, not only negative. Positive also.
Yeah, I tell you that even technologists also want.
But nowadays, without this artificial intelligence, it's not possible us to survey.
Yes, maybe some
But in
people
the
will not
future,
agree.
if
There
this
is not.
artificial
Just please.
intelligence become an super intelligence, we can't control this artificial intelligence. They will cause a big problem in future generation.
That first I told.
We
will
can
make an
control. We
exact
need to
plan.
Yes,
We will
let's
not-
conclude
But
the
when
section,
you-
please.
You thought that we can make an exact plan for artificial intelligence.
And
But
also-
what happened when
Please
it becomes
calm
super
down.
intelligence?
If, for example, in this pathetic situation, if this artificial intelligence is not improved, how we will find a vaccine to prevent this virus?
But
Just
can I
please,
ask
let's
one
conclude
question?
the section,
Who will
please,
take
calm
care
down.
of these robots?
Humans will take care of
Take
this
care of.
robot.
Dears, let's conclude here. Both teams, Team Sapphire and Ruby, has given us a great opinions. These are some advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence. Every new invention or breakthrough will have both. But we as humans need to take care of that and use the positive sides of the invention to create a better world. Artificial intelligence has massive potential advantages. The key for humans will ensure the rise of the robots does not get out of hand. Some people also say that artificial intelligence can destroy human civilizations if it goes into the wrong hands. But still, none of the artificial intelligence applications made at that scale that can destroy or enslave humanity. Here we are concluding our debate session. Thank you.
Hello, I am Tasniya Sharin from 9th A. Today, I would like to welcome you all to the auspicious occasion of World Science Day in the year of 2021. Science is the very core of our everyday lives. Virtually everything we know, every comfort we enjoy from smartphones to painkillers is a direct result of scientific endeavors. On 10th November, World Science Day for Peace and Development highlights the significant role of science to the society. The purpose of the day is to strengthen public awareness of the role of science to the peaceful and sustainable society, promote national and international solidarity for the shared science between countries, renew national and international commitment for the use of science for the benefit of societies. On the first World Science Day for Peace and Development was celebrated worldwide on 2000 to 10th November under UNESCO. The celebration involved many partners such as governmental, intergovernmental and non-governmental organizations. The year of 2021 marks 20th edition of World Science Day for Peace and Development. With climate change becoming a serious threat to the lives of billions of peoples and planets, the climatic changes affect life on Earth in various ways. These climatic changes are also having various impact on ecosystem and ecology. Due to these changes, numbers of species of plants and animals are gone having extinct, and the climatic changes also impact on human beings' life nowadays. So, in this year, World Science Day highlights the importance of climate-ready communities. So, I am concluding here. Thank you.
I'm Shifana Nasrin from class 9th A. Today we are celebrating the World Science Day for Peace and Development set up by UNESCO in 2001. The 10th November is a moment to think about all science given us and how relevant research is to prosperity, peace and the planet. Everything around us is a grand discovery, be it is a necessity and comfort or luxury. They all came from different scientific discoveries that took over a span of time, starting from a small pin to a big ship. Everything is just a mere invention. Everything is a result of science. So let's examine what is science. Science is a system of acquiring knowledge. We use observations, experimentation and come to a conclusion. In simple language, science is a systematic field of study or knowledge gained from observations and experimentation and some accepted facts. Scientific discoveries and invention made our life more easy and more comfortable. Then we could have never imagined that the scientific equipment accomplishes the lengthy tasks in just a minute. Be in the health sector and transportation, education, etc. all are the gift of science. Nowadays, we are in a situation without science we cannot imagine or survive. Without science, no person, no country would have made progress. Due to scientific inventions, we were able to find answers to a question that we thought we can never answer. The people said that humans cannot fly, but due to the advancements of scientific invention, now we can fly by the help of an aeroplane. In our daily life, we use lots of scientific inventions like television, mobile phones, microwave ovens, tube lights, and many more of inventions that made our life more luxurious and made our work more easy and less time consuming. New types of drugs are invented to cure the incurable diseases, and vaccines also made many diseases extinct recently, COVID-19 also. The inventions of electricity, bulb, machines, etc. also the gift of science. In the end, I would like to say the developments happen only due to the developments in science and technology. In the end, I would like to say all the developments happen only due to the developments in science and technology. Thank you.